Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Hey, here's a throwback. This is a paint job that we used several years ago on our Ambition line. This is a Luxe Elite, beautiful paint job. Everything is paint on our units. Even our logos are paint. So you're not going to have to worry about any peeling, any cracking, those ugly, unsightly decals that fade after a couple years. So enjoy this paint job. Really enjoy it from days gone by. Hey, but it's still current. Check it out. This is a 6-slide front living floor plan, and it is just beautiful. We're not going to go into it inside right now. Just wanted you to check this beautiful paint job out and have an excellent day.